How to verify your identity on Truist Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your identity on Truist Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Truist Bank app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, go to the More menu on the bottom right corner of your screen and simply choose Manage Account. Now, once you've done that, under Account Management, tap on the second option, which is Verify Identity. After that, you'll have to tell them why you are verifying your identity. So it may be because it is required by Truist to update personal information, to increase account limits, or simply other reason. Now, once you've selected the reason, tap on the option Continue. Then you'll have to select the type of ID you will be using to verify yourself. So it can be a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Tap on the option Continue. And then basically capture the photo of the front side, or if applicable, the back side of your ID. Then you'll have to take a selfie to make sure that it's actually you who's doing the identity verification. And once you've done that, you'll have basically verified your identity on Truist Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.